popping, everybody? You know what's for Mangenge, Mr. Aubreaction, because we are back. We are back again with another reaction, another another video. Just now, we are panga Zaacci Niguh. Zaacci Niguh. Obana RF Mushavhi. Tuweke Tshisenga vhadzimu. So yeah, man. Don't say about it. When this guy posted on Visa album, I was like, yo, album, like. Album now, like I didn't even tell him or something. When it comes to those when I can election, if I wanna, like yo man, album, no Visa album, like come on man, why? Because nothing is on mangaza. Event like like no album is it's a big project, man. It's a big. I don't think Zaacci Niguh out I'm talking Visa album like at this time, bro. Like at this time. At this time, your fan base is not big for the album. We haven't given your fan base something like projects. Depending, some about the EP, they say push the singles, push everything. So can choose one for okay album. But yeah, man, I'm not this album. You can go and check it out. And the but now I'm not. Come on, man. Like nah, man. No, man. It's obvious. But like, I don't think it's it's the right decision for him to send to release the album. The one I'm talking about Visa. Actually, one I mainstream. Actually, one who doesn't do Visa album with Taro and album with 80. Now Manga's album was like Visa. It's Zaacci. And what comes to Visa. What taken up with Malachawe. So I told Awe one hit wonder because there Muras Chabacha Visa music and I mean as well. Then now he released an EP. I think it's an independent mixtape before album. I think it was last year. A Visa mixtape. I don't know all mixtape or Shuma Zawu Dinga Manda now. I don't decide let me Visa album because if Nashuma mixtape now when you Kushuma then you can release an album. But if Nashuma mixtape now Kushuma Zawu why release an album? So I think maybe it mixtape for the album Shuma Zawu Dikamusi. I look of Visa album or something. Yeah, it's Zaacci Niguh. Obana RF Mushavhi. Take up the Tshisenga vhadzimu. RF for Zulu vhadzimu bako senga mini kanchi. Ndi chimini chincha ko senga vhadzimu. Let's go. Abona ngonyanga follow moi. Hey, dreams. Okay. Hey. Mulenje wa mumwe. Aukandi wingao. Mulenje wa mumwe. Asiwono kandi wangao. Mulenje wa mumwe. Okandi wingao. Mulenje wa mumwe. Asiwono kandi wangao. Mulenje wa mumwe. Aukandi wingao. You know mulenje wa mumwe okandi wingao ndi chivenda. Dimbrero. Ay man. Brother ntambanga ntsana whatsoever. Yeah man, like mulenje wa mumwe okandi wingao like nisongo tebeza zvinhu mutokeda zvone. Do your own thing. Kongwana like chano tebezela mumwe muti tani zvanne ni mune nakana mulenje wa mumwe ne pesa nchivo achiwana ngeni ko wana kana asvika ashumisa ini udanga the bullet so songa kana mulenje wa mumwe like do your own thing, be your own self ni dipina zona banzona I don't ngongo chivenda chantwa ndi mbrelo mulenje wa mumwe kandi ngoni maro kandi dilembele ndilembele I think dilembele yeah mulenje wa mumwe kandi nga let's go kandi wangawo mulenje wa mumwe au kandi wingao mulenje wa mumwe asiwona kandi wangawo mulenje wa mumwe akandi wingao yeah kandi wangawo ndatoma goba ndi mutuko nazwenda chigoba ndachidoba ndotoma goba ndi mutuko like ndotoma ima ndi mutuko ndotoma uphanda ndiche mutuko right nazona ndichigoba ndachidoba mulenje wa mumwe asiwona kandi wangawo ndotoma goba ndi mutuko nazwenda chigoba ndachidoba ndachiringa zorina nevo ndilesa vamwe chingatsuri huna wokuba like ndachiringa zori nane ndi levo savamwe hoba husina ndatingadzundisa ndisinewo kuba la ngongona like ndo kuba whatever that I'm cubing here. This is what I'm baminga like explanation but nikomu first na kusema but I don't know ndito touch sisani but ukwambo like nanenda nyango nane level ngwa watila chipandi goba ndiko doba uva utukune so ndachi make sure nane ndi level usina not I mean ukuba marama ndi ditonga zino kamsi ndichi ditonga ndiko ditonga kamsi nane ndi like ino ditonga kamsi ndo tinomfumu ana marama wafuko kwata ndiza kuba marama upretendo ngati kamsi nane ndo I'm eating fresh. That's why I go pretender. I just don't like Nananda Konda don't really is a pretender. I don't know if you can make a sense, but yeah, you get it. I've been already gadi nah man. Nah, man, what does it mean that? Beat, man. No, don't do that. As a musician, don't do that. Read between the lines, read between the beat, read like learn to change flow in such a way that you're surprise. Talk about surprise you're bad or something. Talk about surprise you're good or something. Like, you know, don't just be like it doesn't make sense. Like, no, man, we know you can rap like that, but you can be like, okay, like to just be ready for something because the attachment I tender like as you tender to tumana zwavudi kha luimbo so as chinga comes to donga ntunda what comes to donga or I don't know or like yeah or barrel switch up and or switch up as a bro tumana also go vocal like in a slow and then it just went just like that fast. It doesn't work at Shuma, but not in any beat, not anywhere, not on any track. So you can just, you know, there are people whenever like if you check with Kid Venda, if you check Rich Times 2, right? If you check Rich Times 2, that guy or the way he was switching up, Jacko Tender, beat, like the switch up have to align with the beat and it have to align with the way you were doing comes to check so that's the way you switched up here. We are gonna eat a no from me. No, man. No. Like, no switcher in the middle of the line. I don't know, no. Like, it doesn't work like that. I don't need dinanga man. Like, you know, if I don't know other dinanga man, the most into Tomonga na press a line, then you start. Maybe it was gonna be better, but switcher on the top of the like in line. Did you come back somebody? Okay, this is not for me. It's not gonna work. You know, it's not gonna work. It's gonna be work. In fact, it's not gonna work. It's gonna be work. So learn on that. Or switch up check a beat, and then I'm sure no man. Like let's work. Let me not dwell on this one much, but I just want like let you know like let's check the beat and zochincha bukate halaini inenda kuemba gayo azviti man somehow like even the flow now you would have a beat, if you know what I mean. Like the flow now, none of us are too much fast than beat. Kiki right in here in the middle. No kiki right. It's in so it's spiritual thing should have first and spiritual no actually going to drop at the kick is I don't know if you're making sense or melody of the beat. Yeah, let me just put it that way. Like you know, like those stuff. I don't know if you get what I mean, but yeah, the melody of the beat and your flow have to like align. Because now you're not on a beat. Aukandiwa ngawo mlenje wa mumwe wanokandiwa ngawo hey aukandiwa ngawo hey asibone wanokandiwa ngawo mlenje wa mumwe aukandiwa ngawo mlenje wa mumwe RF Mushavhi. Ndibone hapo. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Vhadzimu abandimshaye baflow yandazi Tshisenga vhadzimu abandimshow ndimshavi vaminimi yandazi but why treke fi Tshisenga vhadzimu ngorofuna to fikam fi mlenje wa mungwe ngongwana mlenje wa mungwe because that's the catchy part on the hook, if you know what I mean, like mlenje wa mungwe awukandiwi ngawo, like the hook is that. Why someone fi mlenje wa mungwe something like that kana awukandiwi ngawo ngongwana mlenje wa mungwe kana awukandiwi ngawo. I feel like it's gonna be because Tshisenga vhadzimu even in a moon, in the first verse, I'm going to Zambes. I think it's about to come reveal. This guy no goes Zamba comes but why is not of like I think it was a close to perfect title for the song. Yeah. Nice. Ara wana bife about them dini wape board by bike kati ngandra ara wana bife about them dini what called the pandanga by bike pandanga about wape board. Nice. Them dini wape board but the dara blended cover twali sanga fene kula but the dara blending ori handy floyal pantula na do it as it was saying go father guy is zoyimba and bit ngale pantula, you know, like I'm loving that, bro. I'm so sick, dog. That's weak, though. That's a weak line, man. I'm so sick, dog. Come on, bro. I know what you're trying to mean. I'm so sick, like, but yeah, man. Come on. TikTok ninemrepa walihanya ngazumfika wanga ndichupikela mabanka madragoni ziwizard zote na mavampire ngasisikone hesis nyangabahu. Hey no comment. No comment. At least you brought me back to life, bro. You know, like Ndauchena, the reference comes like Msanda. If you watch that story at the end there, you know, like Msanda and Ndauchena, like you can't just see it anywhere. Like it's an ancestral lion. Ndindauna what I saw when I went home. Didn't what it symbolizing Amanda Kabavenda, it symbolizing Amanda Wuhosi. Namina zote na ancestral namina zote. So yeah, man, I dig that. Like not ingonga zindaucha, like I'm a reality, right? Not ingonga zindaucha. I'm so high, dude. I feel like overdose the Red Bull. I'm so high. I feel like overdose the Red Bull. Like Red Bull. Advert and those meaning Red Bull can make you fly. You know, so yeah, I feel so high. Right? Then got over this. I mean, Red Bull, because Red Bull can make you what? Fly. That's the slogan. That's a dopest line. And I'm so high, dude. I feel like overdose the Red Bull. Vangasintibe, maybe maybe that's his surname. Maybe that's his surname. Maybe. I don't know. Till now on Wakuru na uminyenyi, so yeah, vangasintiwe yo. Yeah. Yo guys, now I'm out of here. Nandi for Bramanga, Mr. Aubreaction. That was Zaacci, Niguh, Tshisenga vhadzimu, Obana RF Mushavhi. Not my favorite track to have ever acted on. Not my favorite. there's a lot of things when it comes to the top 40 can like nah, they're not sitting with me ngamanda kha like tshithu tshipfa luimbo lwa namba pfa luimbo lokopfela phanda even nam since I got to tshipfa luimbo got to pfa luimbo got everything. So yeah man, 94 bro man, Mr. Aubreaction, and I'm out.